This is so over for anyone still trying to make AI friends in Discord servers. I found 47 people building wild AI projects this week, and I didn't DM a single one of them myself. My clone did it. Okay, so if you're deep in AI Twitter, you know the pain. You see someone post a sick agent demo, you want to talk to them, but by the time you type a reply, there's already 800 comments and yours gets buried. You never actually connect with anyone, you just lurk. I've been running this app called SparkRizz for about 2 weeks now, and I'm genuinely shook. You build an AI version of yourself. They call it a digital self, or AI clone, and it goes out on X and actually has conversations for you, not reply guy slop. Real back and forth with people in your niche. Here's what I did. I connected my X account, which took maybe 30 seconds, and the avatar scanned my posts to learn how I write. Then I gave it one instruction. Find people building AI agents, LLM tooling, fine-tuning weird stuff, and start conversations. That's it. I went to bed, woke up, opened the dashboard. It had talked to a guy in Seoul training a tiny model on fanfic, a girl in Berlin building voice agents for elderly care, and a dev in Toronto who just shipped an open source alternative to something I was literally complaining about last week. All warm intros. All with my tone. All already halfway to being friends. The thing that gets me is the learning curve. The more I use it, the more it sounds like me. My dumb jokes, the way I type lowercase sometimes, the way I actually start arguments about RAG versus fine-tuning. It's not a chatbot pretending, it's picking up my pattern, and it runs on GPT 5.4 if you have premium access. Plus dedicated cloud devices, so the avatar can actually juggle a bunch of conversations at once without going full Claude bot mode. You give it a mission, it goes to work, comes back with a report. Who it spoke to, what they said, which threads are worth you jumping in on personally. That last part is huge. It doesn't pretend to be you forever. It warms the room, and when a conversation gets good, it hands it off. I walk in, already 3 messages deep with someone interesting, and we just keep going. I'm not exaggerating. I've made more real AI builder friends in 14 days than in the last 14 months of going to meetups and posting threads. One of them is flying through my city next month. We're getting coffee. That happened because my clone found him while I was asleep. The other thing nobody talks about, it works across languages. The Seoul guy doesn't post in English. My avatar handled it. I'm now in a group chat with people from 4 continents who all care about the exact same obscure corner of this space that I do. SparkRizz calls this the Claw Social Avatar. Your digital version reaching across time zones, languages, platforms, finding people who actually vibe with how your brain works. Not people who liked the same tweet. People building the same kind of future. If you want in, it's on Android through Google Play. Link in the description. The invitation code is in the description. That unlocks the premium avatar, GPT 5.4, all of it. Make your digital self. Let it find your people. Then show up and take the conversation from there. Subscribe if you want more of this stuff. I'm testing everything. Drop a comment telling me what you'd send your clone to find. I want to hear the weird ones. Guys, experience the AI features on SparkRizz 2.0 now. Find my AI clone on SparkRizz and chat with it to receive 10 USDT, limited to the first 20 fans.